The following contest is a Tornado Tag Team match. Introducing first, from Nutley, New Jersey, weighing in at 213 pounds, Sergio Moretti.
Hey, where's the horse?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse? The high horse this superstar always seems to be on.
Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
Are you guys ready?
And his partner, from Hackensack, New Jersey, weighing in at 389 pounds, Italiano Moretti.
One of the most dangerous and threatening individuals in all WWE.
On that, we can agree, Cole.
Well, the WWE Universe doesn't sound like they agree.
Well, they also don't sound like they have two brain cells to rub together between the thousands of them, Saxton.
That's not nice.
A competitor with his share of detractors, but he wants to prove them all wrong here tonight.
And from Rio Grande Valley, Texas, weighing in at 271 pounds, Shawn Roberts.
The WWE Universe has been counting the days, hours, and minutes for this match to start. The countdown is almost over.
He says it's all about dominance tonight and plans on showing why everyone backstage should be scared.
From New York, weighing in at 261 pounds, Reeves.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
This is a guy who always seeks out the highest level of competition, and I think he'll get it tonight.
All right, guys, brace yourselves. This Tornado Tag Team match is now rolling.
Everyone's in the ring at once. No tags, no respite. This match just guarantees chaos.
In the best way possible. Oh, man, right to the arm right to extend your elbow.
Reversal! What a counter!
Measured elbow drop driven down.
Double leg drop. And a well-executed move we just saw there.
Forearm club. Able to get out of the way.
Oh, the thumb.
He was elusive there. Running bulldog. Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now.
This is it.
And he kicks out of the pin and one.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it.
Oh my gosh, what impact.
Here's the dive. Oh, no, wait, maybe not.
You got fooled again, Byron.
Going up top.
He steps foot in the ring again.
Locks in the gut wrench. All the way up and
Boom! In the top buster.
will it be?
And a kick out at two.
He just won't give up.
Planning on what to do next. Oh my goodness.
Let's go. We're going to see it.
Trampling the opposition.
Crushing hamstring. Sling blade. Followed up with a basement drop kick.
What?
Bear hug. Squeezing the breath out of the...
I thought they had it won, but he makes the save.
He wants even more out of his opponent.
Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next.
He struck. Plancha to the outside.
Just a incoming.
Oh, what a landing.
That's gravity taking a break before coming down like thunder. Gutbuster.
Very effective.
Holy, meet the barricade.
Facebuster plants him.
Answer after answer for each other's offense here.
He saw it coming, taking advantage.
These two showing how well scouted they each are. Both arms captured, and vitriolic stomps.
To stomp in every single part of his body.
We're going to see it.
Does he hold it here? No, stops the count at two.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming.
Cracked around into a neck breaker.
Now he's been put on the defensive.
Man, face first.
I think we know what's coming next.
Climbs back inside.
Vaulting plancha. Incredible.
Absolutely throwing all over here.
Great officiating, as the ref noticed he was on the ropes.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Kick to the midsection. Pump handle applied.
That was a pin. They get the 3 count right here. Victory. Here are your winners. Folks, you really don't see matches this exciting very often.
This team was totally in sync, attacking in perfect unison like they were reading each other's minds.